Sanbonani, welcome to Learning isiZulu with your Zulu auntie. Today's lesson is all about names, and the name we're going to learn today is Ntombi. Now I want you guys to repeat after me. Ntombi. And again, Ntombi. One more time. Ntombi. Now let's break the name up a bit. Do, B. And again, Do, B. And again, Do, B. Ntombi. Now the name Ntombi by itself, translated, is girl. Now you might think to yourself, why would someone just name their child girl? But the story behind that is that when parents give birth to a girl child in the Zulu culture, they look at the girl child and they're like, wow, this is a celebration of the fact that